Welcome to our presentation on the world's most expensive foods. Our first contender is the matsutake mushroom, which can cost up to $1,000 per pound due to its rarity and unique flavor. Next up is Kopi Luwak coffee, which is made from coffee beans that have been eaten and excreted by civet cats. It can cost up to $600 per pound. Our third contender is the white truffle, which can cost up to $2,000 per pound and is only found in certain regions of Italy. Coming in at number 2 is beluga caviar, which can cost up to $5,000 per pound and is harvested from the beluga sturgeon in the Caspian Sea. And finally, the most expensive food in the world is gold-plated sushi, which can cost up to $1,800 per piece and is wrapped in gold leaf. We hope you enjoyed learning about the world's most expensive foods. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.